Choosing the right shampoo and conditioner can transform your hair from lackluster to lustrous. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 shampoo and conditioner pairs that cater to different hair needs. Whether you're looking for hydration, softness, or a revitalizing boost, these products are worth considering. Let's dive into what makes each of these top contenders stand out. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kérastase Bain, Satin 2 and Lait Vital. The Kérastase Bain Satin 2 and Lait Vital duo is designed to provide balanced nourishment and hydration for normal to dry hair. This pair is known for its luxurious formulations that enhance hair softness and manageability. Key features: Bain Satin 2 is a gentle shampoo that cleanses while maintaining hair's natural moisture balance. It contains a glucose and protein combination to nourish the hair fiber. Lait Vital is a lightweight conditioner that delivers essential nutrients, ensuring your hair feels soft and smooth without being weighed down. Benefits and usage: this combination is ideal for those with normal to dry hair types who want to retain moisture and improve overall hair texture. The shampoo cleanses thoroughly, while the conditioner detangles and adds shine, making hair more manageable and easier to style. Usability: both products are simple to use. Apply Bain Satin 2 to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. Follow up with Lait Vital by applying it to damp hair, leaving it in for a few minutes before rinsing. This routine helps maintain the hair's moisture balance and enhances softness. Durability: the products are well formulated to ensure they maintain their effectiveness throughout their shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place will help preserve the integrity of the ingredients. In the second spot, we have Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day is designed to offer an all-in-one solution for achieving clean, healthy, and beautiful hair. This duo is formulated to provide a variety of benefits, making it suitable for daily use. Key features: the shampoo is sulfate-free and contains the brand's patented healthy hair molecule, which helps repel dirt and oil, keeping hair cleaner for longer. The conditioner provides lightweight moisture and helps smooth the hair cuticle to reduce frizz and enhance shine. Benefits and usage: Perfect Hair Day is ideal for those looking for a daily regimen that provides comprehensive care. The shampoo effectively cleanses without stripping, while the conditioner adds moisture and detangles. This combination helps maintain hair's health and appearance throughout the day. Usability: use the shampoo by applying it to wet hair, massaging it into the scalp, and rinsing. Follow with the conditioner, applying it from mid-lengths to ends, and leave it in for a few minutes before rinsing. This routine supports clean, smooth, and manageable hair. Durability: the formulation ensures that both the shampoo and conditioner retain their effectiveness when used within their recommended shelf life. Proper storage helps maintain the quality of the products. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken All Soft. Redken All Soft is tailored for those with dry and brittle hair, offering a nourishing solution to enhance softness and shine. This duo is designed to replenish moisture and improve hair's overall texture. Key features: the shampoo contains Redken's RCT protein complex, which delivers proteins to the root, core, and tip of the hair for balanced nourishment. The conditioner features moisturizing ingredients like argan oil, which provides intense hydration and helps smooth the hair surface. Benefits and usage: All Soft is perfect for individuals with dry, coarse hair needing extra moisture and softness. The shampoo cleanses while infusing the hair with proteins, and the conditioner delivers hydration and detangling benefits, making hair softer and more manageable. Usability: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse. Follow up with the conditioner, applying it evenly from mid-lengths to ends and rinsing thoroughly. This regimen helps restore moisture and improve hair texture. Durability: the All Soft products are formulated to be effective throughout their shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps maintain their quality and efficacy. Taking our 4th spot is Paul Mitchell Tea Tree. Paul Mitchell Tea Tree offers a refreshing and invigorating experience with its tea tree oil-based shampoo and conditioner. This duo is ideal for those looking for a stimulating hair care routine. Key features: the shampoo contains tea tree oil, peppermint, and lavender, which work together to cleanse and revitalize the scalp. The conditioner provides moisturizing benefits while enhancing the cooling sensation and leaving hair feeling fresh and invigorated. Benefits and usage: this combination is suitable for all hair types, especially those needing a refreshing boost. The shampoo cleanses and invigorates the scalp, while the conditioner adds moisture and dead angles, promoting healthy and refreshed hair. Usability: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner, applying it to damp hair and leaving it in for a few minutes before rinsing. This routine helps invigorate the scalp and refresh the hair. Durability: the products are designed to maintain their effectiveness when used within their recommended shelf life. Proper storage ensures the quality of the tea tree oil and other active ingredients. And finally, at number 5, we have Moroccanoil Moisture Repair. Moroccanoil Moisture Repair is formulated to restore and hydrate dry and damaged hair. This duo is known for its use of argan oil and other nourishing ingredients to improve hair health. Key features: the shampoo features argan oil, keratin, and fatty acids, which help repair and strengthen damaged hair. The conditioner complements the shampoo by providing additional hydration and detangling benefits, leaving hair soft and manageable. Benefits and usage: ideal for those with dry or damaged hair, this combination restores moisture and strengthens the hair shaft. The shampoo cleanses and repairs, while the conditioner provides deep hydration and smoothness, making hair easier to style and manage. Usability: use the shampoo by applying it to wet hair, lathering, and rinsing. Follow with the conditioner, applying it from mid-lengths to ends, and leaving it in for a few minutes before rinsing. This routine helps restore and maintain healthy, hydrated hair. Durability: the Moroccanoil products are designed to be effective throughout their shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps preserve the potency of the argan oil and other nourishing ingredients. Finding the perfect shampoo and conditioner can make all the difference in your hair care routine. Each of these top picks offers unique benefits tailored to different hair needs, from hydration and repair to invigorating freshness. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and hair care tips.